We are outside of the Zucker family sea turtle recovery, which is located on the first floor of the South Carolina Aquarium. What's really great about this new interactive exhibit is that we have an ability to reach all of the aquarium guests. So everyone that comes through the doors here are able to come face to face with threatened and endangered sea turtle species that we're working on rehabilitating here. So there's never a blueprint for a sea turtle hospital when the aquarium first opened. The turtles started to strand off of our coast of South Carolina, and there was this need to treat sick and injured turtles. The aquarium stepped up to the plate. They started with modest means of just a small plastic kiddie pool down in the basement of the aquarium, and it kept on growing as more and more turtles started to come here for medical attention. What we've seen over the years is an increase in size. So we were usually seeing about 120-pound subadult loggerhead sea turtles. We are now treating larger adult females that are upwards of 350 pounds. We also see a variety of other species as well, the greens and the Kemp's Ridleys, that are also varying in their sizes too. So there's definitely been this need to have bigger, deeper tanks to accommodate those larger turtles that we're seeing that are stranding. So what's great is you're not just coming to see turtles, you're also learning about them. So we have this augmented reality. Anyone of all ages can come up to these tablets and triage a turtle just like we would as a Sea Turtle Care Center staff. So when a turtle first comes in from the Department of Natural Resources, we all assemble and we give them that emergency medical attention. So that's making sure that we're checking their vital signs, giving them their antibiotics, doing those radiographs, doing the whole entire diagnostics, and that's really what saves their life in that initial first 24 hours. So you get to do that from an electronic standpoint, and it goes through that whole process of triage as it's happening to that model of turtle that we've worked really hard to get it to look anatomically correct of those 3 different species that we see here. We had our biggest stranding season in 2016. We had 41 local South Carolina stranded turtles, and those are ones that we were able to treat, and majority of them we were able to release, which was wonderful. Common injuries really span a multitude of reasons, and some of them are sick and some of them are injured, but the overarching theme is they're all human-based causes. So we've had an increase in plastic ingestion. We also see a lot of boat strike turtles as well. We're seeing more and more of monofilament line entanglements or entanglements in mesh, fishing gear. Luckily, we're able to save a lot of them, but it can be a fatal injury to these turtles. Here at the aquarium, our mission is to connect people with water, wildlife, and wild places. It takes everyone that walks through our doors to take home our mission statement and our message to help save the ocean. We hope that people just leave here with a better awareness of what's happening to these animals and knowing that it's happening right here in our own backyard.